First I will choose a plane. Now I will draw 4 circles. The diameter of first circle is 40 mm. $60 for the second one and $80 for the third one. $114 for the fourth one. I will convert the second and fourth circle to construction geometry. To do this, I right click on the second circle and choose the construction geometry. I do same for the fourth one. Now let's draw a center line for reference purpose. I will draw 2 circles here and here. This one should be coincident with this one. The diameter is 14 for the first one and 10 for the second one. Now let's draw a slot here. I am choosing the straight slot. The diameter of this arc is 26 mm, hence the radius will be 13 millimeters. Now I am trimming away the excess portions. Now if we want to make this sketch fully defined, we have to add some relations. So I am making this line vertical. We have to make a horizontal relation between this point and this point. So I am clicking this point first. Now I have pressed the control button and I have pressed this one. So all the possible relations are suggested here. So I am selecting the horizontal. Okay, this entity has been fully defined. So we will do the same thing here. Now we will delete this point here. This is the remaining point of this slot. Okay, now you can see that the sketch is fully defined. The green signs here are showing the existing relations. I want to hide them for now. I'm clicking here and hide the sketch relations. Now I have to apply circular pattern for some entities. I am selecting the center point here. Now I have to select the entities. I will make this number 3. Okay. Now I have to make a triangle. I will use the polygon tool here. The number of sides of our polygon will be 3. Okay. I have to put a vertical relation of this point and the origin. So I am clicking this point here, pressing Ctrl plus this point and selecting the vertical relation. Now I need to add some fillets here. The radius will be 17 millimeters. Okay. Now we have to add a concentric relation between this arc and this arc. Selecting this arc, Ctrl plus this arc and selecting the concentric one. Now I have to add some line and relations to make the sketch fully defined. You can see that the sketch is fully defined now. Thank you for watching the video. Stay with us for more SolidWorks tutorials.